If you're seeing a Gmail verification error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to walk you through the most effective ways to fix it step by step. This issue can happen when you try to verify your account too many times, when Google doesn't trust the phone number you're using, or when there are too many accounts linked to the same number. The good news is that there are a few simple fixes you can try right away, and most of them only take a couple of minutes. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech fixes. Alright, let's get into it. First, if you have already tried verifying multiple times, stop and wait before retrying. This is really important because Google can temporarily block repeated attempts. In many cases, waiting 24 to 48 hours gives the system enough time to reset and lets you try again with a better chance of success. So if you've been getting the same error over and over, the smartest thing to do is pause and come back later instead of forcing more attempts. Next, check whether the phone number you are using is actually suitable for Gmail verification. Google usually does not accept VoIP numbers, virtual numbers, temporary numbers, or numbers from unsupported regions. If you're using one of those, that may be the reason the verification keeps failing. The best option is to use a real mobile number from a normal phone carrier. This gives you a much higher chance of passing the verification check. If the current number still isn't working after waiting, try a different phone number. Use another personal mobile number if you have one available, especially one that has not been heavily used for Google verification before. Sometimes Google will reject a number simply because it has already been linked to too many accounts or because it has triggered too many verification requests. Switching to a different number can often solve the problem immediately. Now, if the issue is happening because your phone number is tied to too many Google accounts, you may need to remove unused accounts linked to that number. To do this, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com. Once you're signed in, go to Data and Privacy. From there, look for the option to delete unused accounts that are linked to your phone number. Cleaning up old or unused accounts can reduce verification conflicts and make it easier for Google to accept your number again. Another thing to check is whether the verification message may have been sent by email instead of by phone. If that's the case, open your Gmail inbox and check your spam, junk, and promotions folders. Sometimes verification emails get filtered automatically so people think the code never arrived when it's actually sitting in one of those folders. If you find it there, mark it as important so future messages are easier to spot. At this point, if you've waited, checked your number, removed unused accounts, and looked through your folders, try the verification again one more time. Be sure to enter everything carefully and avoid rushing through the process. Small typing mistakes, the wrong number format, or using a numbers that Google doesn't trust can all cause the same error to appear again. If your account still refuses to verify, the safest path is to stop repeated attempts and give it more time before trying a fresh number or a later attempt. Google's security system can be strict, but in most cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem. So to recap, wait 24 to 48 hours if you've tried too many times, use a real mobile number, try a different personal number if needed, remove unused Google accounts linked to the number, and check spam or junk if the verification came by email. I hope this helped you fix the Gmail verification error. If it did, please like the video, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.